Hello, and we're back. I had so much fun making my bootleg that I decided to make another one using the same mold, just like a bootleg. Anyways, this time we're going to try to make that monster mic, or maybe the Raphael, I'm not sure yet. So we're going to dye the resin these colors. These are from epoxycolors.com, or the link in the description below. And here we go. And we'll see you next time.
Next level. Next level.
Hello and welcome back to the Monster Mic review. reveal, I guess. We took a little time off, so I started these at the beginning of October, and we're getting finished up here late November. So, you know. Originally we were gonna paint this up like a bootleg and really make a mess out of the thing, but the mold came out so good. I was really happy with it. I mean, you even got the, you know, Playmates 1988. You can read the copyright stamp on it. I didn't want to do it, so instead of the paint, I did Sharpie. And, you know, take your time. Clean that up in post. And then instead of going orange or red, I found this at the dollar store. Crafter Square. These work really well. I was pretty happy. I got a silver one too. I can't find it though. But you know, just you can put on a couple coats, and it comes out more gold each time. And I'll be swinging by there today and see if they got some other colors. Very good. Well, thank you for watching. If you want to buy some of the mold making material from Composite Mold, there's a link in the description. If you want to buy the same kind of resin I got, there's another link in the description. And you get a discount, I believe. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Oh, wait. This is a kind of a simulation of what it could have looked like. My son painted this one for me. So, if you were looking for a kind of a Monster Mike kind of deal, this is acrylic paint. Just globbed on it. I loved it. He did a great job. Anyways, bye-bye.